Hi there, and welcome to Remy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI-powered HR hub that companies would normally pay a few $100s a month for. The first thing we need to do is we want to tell Remy what kind of app we'd like built. You can click on the chat box at the bottom of the screen and hold down the backtick key on our keyboard so that we can speak directly to Remy via our microphone. This is the key left of the 1 key on our keyboard. Build me an HR hub with a built-in org chart, employee directory, onboarding checklists, and time off approvals. Think a lightweight version of BambooHR, Gusto, or Pingboard. Remy takes your requests and may ask some clarifying questions before moving forward. You can see I've answered all the questions here, and now it will begin writing our proposal. Just make sure you read through the entire proposal. You can continue chatting with Remy to make updates, and when you're ready to start building, click on the Start Building button. At this point, you can watch the Remy agent work with its various sub-agents, but the agent can work whether the tab is open or not. The initial MVP can take several minutes, so if you need to grab a coffee or if you need to work on something else, this is a perfect time to do so. So Remy has finished building our app, so now we can test it and make edits to it. You can find the Remy agent on the left-hand side, and you can see a preview of your app on the right-hand side. Let's go ahead and open up the app preview in a new tab so that we can see it in full screen. Remy built this app with accounts and a full authentication flow, and we can test out the flow by adding our own email or by clicking on the button at the bottom right to use the test email. When using the Remy test email, your code will always be 123456. And now we're on the main screen of our application. You can see that this app is pre-filled with some data because Remy created a bunch of synthetic data so that we can preview the app in a non-empty state. Remy also pre-fills the data differently for different roles. Currently, we're seeing the synthetic data for an admin role. And if we click around, we can see it's a bare bones HR hub. It has a dashboard of all the activity. It has a list of all of the people in our organization. There's a list of approvals for us as an admin. There is some onboarding templates and people that need to be onboarded. There's time off requests. There is a full org chart that we can move around in this open canvas. And then for admins, there are templates for onboarding various types of roles within the organization. There's also our section to create our own leave policies. Let's go ahead and make an edit to our application. Just like before, we can click into the agent in the chat box at the bottom left, and we can use the backtick key to speak directly to the Remy agent. Create a company calendar that includes company holidays and time off requests so that everyone knows when employees should be in the office. And just like in the initial build, Remy will write a proposal that we'll need to read and approve. Just make sure you read through the whole thing, make edits if you need to, and then when you're ready, click on the approve button. Okay, so Remy finished building out this feature, so let's go ahead and take a look. You can see here that we now have this calendar tab. And inside of this calendar tab, we can see things like vacation days, sick leave, personal leave, parental leave, bereavement, unpaid leave, and holidays. You can even track each individual employee's personal schedule. Now, in addition to just building regular features, we can also build AI-powered features inside of our applications because the Remy platform allows us to leverage over 200 AI models in all of our applications. Let's go ahead and add some AI functionality to our application. Create a lightweight AI chat where employees can ask about any info in the HR hub and get a real answer. All right, Remy finished building out our AI feature, so let's go ahead and check it out. If we go into a new tab, if we go into our full screen view, we can see that at the very top, we now have this Ask HR Hub button. And if we click on that button, we can ask questions about anything inside of our HR Hub. And it even has some question suggestions. So for example, if we ask who's out this week, it will do some thinking. It will look into our various databases. We can see that one person is out on parental leave and one person is out on vacation. It can also take us to open the calendar to see exactly who is out this week. Now, in addition to chatting with Remy and building features that are all your ideas, Remy also creates a complete roadmap with other feature proposals that we might want to build. And we can find this in the spec tab if we go into the roadmap section. And every single feature on this roadmap is fully spec'd out. So let's actually open up a feature by clicking on it, and we can see that this is a full spec for the feature. We can make adjustments to the spec directly, or we can ask Remy to make adjustments to the spec based on our own ideas. If we're happy with the proposal, we can click on the build button and Remy will begin building. Okay, so Remy finished building out our nudges and reminders feature. So let's go ahead and check it out. If we go to the app in full screen, we should be able to see inside of templates that we now have the section called reminder emails. And this is going to send reminders to anyone who is going through an onboarding process or a manager if they'd like a weekly digest. We can choose what day we'd like to send this email on, and then we can also go into the individual emails itself. We can see a preview of the email on the right-hand side, and we can change the content on the left. So now we've built the app, we've built a few features. Let's go ahead and publish our app by clicking on the publish button here at the top right. And once it's published, we get a live link. You can see it here on the left. It's an ugly link, but we can change that later. For now, let's go ahead and open it up in a new tab. And this is the first production build of our application, so we actually need to create an account. Now, since this is a brand new application, it actually doesn't have us set up as an admin. And so what we're gonna need to do is go into Remy, and we're gonna say, set me up as an admin, and we'll leave my email in here. Okay, so you can see that Remy just added me as an admin. All we need to do now is go into our main application and we can refresh the page. And now you can see we're in the first production build of our application. And you'll notice that it's in an empty state, unlike our testing link, because this is the first time we're opening this up. But we can begin adding people, creating onboarding templates, setting up our calendar and our org chart, and starting to use the application, as well as inviting all of our team to the HR hub. So now that our application is live, we can monitor it from the apps management dashboard, which we can access by clicking on the back button in the top left of the editor screen. And from here, we can access a bunch of awesome management features, like some site analytics, where we can track all of the visitors to our application. You can see we have 3 unique visitors. We can see who's live now. We can see all of the top pages, the top sources, the visitor locations, top countries. And if you are inviting people and using UTM tags, it will track all of the UTM tagging. We also have some performance analytics, which will track all of the background operations of our application. And this includes the app's latency, its throughput, the total number of requests, any error rates and crashes of our applications, and all of the background operations inside of our application. You also get access to this usage and cost tab, and this will show you how much it costs to actually build your application and how much it costs to actively run the application. You also have access to this issues tab. You can set up a feature where you can have your users submit bug reports, or you can submit bug reports manually using this new issue button. And then Remy can actually go through, look at all the issues and fix them automatically. We can turn that on by going into our settings tab and turning on auto triage new bug reports. The best part with the issues tab and the performance tab is that Remy has access to all of this information. So if at any point you notice an elevated error rate, you can go into the editor and then you can tell Remy, hey, we have an elevated error rate, and it will go through and fix the issue automatically. We also have access to our production database, and this is where we can see all of the data that is stored in the application. So you can see here we have 8 different tables here, and this is where, as people start to use the application and use all the features in the application, we'll be able to see all that information in our live database. We also have a deployments tab where you can see all of the deployments, and every time you publish your application, it creates a new deployment. If for any reason you need to revert to a previous version of your application, you can do so from this screen. Now, traditionally, if you build an application and you need to use features like this, you would need to go to an expensive third-party surface to get access to these features. But because we built on Remy, it's built into all of the Remy infrastructure, and that means that it's included in every application that we build. The management screen also gives us access to other features like domains, which allow us to change our app's domain, scheduled jobs for when we need to run crons and activity that happens on a regular schedule, secrets in case we need to add API keys from third-party services or our own environment variables. You can access the full code, the full repository of your application, and you can actually export that if you need to. You can manage all of the users in your application, and you also get this full audit log, which shows you all of the activity inside of your application. And so this is super important for compliance if you're trying to run the application in an enterprise. The last thing to note is that Remy also created this pitch deck for our application, and we can share this pitch deck with anyone by using that share button at the bottom right. And so this makes it super easy for us to communicate the application internally to our our own team or externally to our customers. And it contains really nice slides that tell us what the application does, who it's for, and how we use the application. And if at any time we want to make more edits, we can always go back to our editor by clicking on the edit button at the top right. So to summarize, we work with Remy to build a fully featured HR hub. It allows us to add people from our team, track time off approvals, and has a fully featured company calendar, as well as an editable org chart. We also built an AI chat within our HR hub so that anybody can ask questions about information within the HR hub. And it doesn't stop there. The app's live, it's monitored, and it's ready for us to build the next feature whenever we have a new idea. If you have any questions about building with Remy, please join our community. That's community.madewithremy.com. It's a great place for getting help and support, requesting new features, or just celebrating Remy and sharing what you've built. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.